Hello everyone, my name is Alexey, and today I am going to tell you about new ECMAScript features, namely about new array methods which can improve the performance of our applications in some cases and make our development is more comfortable. Some browsers already support these methods. Let's take a look at them. Cool. Let's talk about findLast and findLastIndex methods. It's common case when we need to find some element in the array. We have an original array and we need to find, for example, 6. And we can use method find. So const result equals to original array find element and return element equals to 6. Cool. We have found 6, but let's log some word here. So log search, and let's look at this. Under the hood of the find method, we are iterating through the array, and 6 element more closer to the end than to the start, and we need to iterate through the whole array and in the end find the 6 number. It's not efficient way to do it with findLast method. We can use findLast here and make our code more efficient. So Command S, and we executed cycle only 2 times. So we iterated through 8, through 6, we need to found, and okay, we have found it. Cool. And the same thing with findLastIndex. With findLastIndex, if we will write here find index, we will iterate 5 times. So before find the 6th number, and with findLastIndex, we will iterate only 2 times. So if we know that we need to find element closer to the end, it's more efficient way to use findLast or findLastIndex. And one thing that I don't have syntax highlighting here, because these methods don't load in some browsers, but in Chrome they are working, so my IDE is not highlighting it, but it doesn't matter. We can use it and execute it in browser. The next method is with. So it will useful when we, for example, have our React application and we want to change the state. And the state is an array. We want to change one element in our array and render our application. So we need to have a copy of new array with one changed element. How we can achieve it now? We can do copy. So copy const copy equals to array. We need to copy the whole our original array. And for example, we want to change the third element, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So copy 3 equals to a string test. And let's log our original array and log our copy. So Command S, and yes, it's our original array and it's our copy. We've created new array and changed one element. It's good approach, but with we will do it in more declarative way. Let's try to do it. So const copy equals to original array with the first argument will be index of element which we want to change. So for example, it's 5, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, it's 3. And second argument will be value with which we want to replace 5. It's our test2. Okay, let's try to execute it. Yes, and we saved our original array and created copy with one replaced element. I think it's a really comfortable way and more declarative way to dealing with replacing elements in the array. So now we have a separate method for it. Okay, let's go to the next method, and the next method is toSorted. So you can ask Alexei why we need this method. We have sort method. Okay, we have an original array, and we want to have like sorted copy of this array, and let's do it. So const sorted copy equals to original array sort. Nice. And we want to log it. So log sorted copy. And we can log it. Yes, we have sorted our array, and 0, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9 all correct, but we have problem in our code because let's log our original array. So original. As we can see, we changed our original array, and it can be cause of some not obvious bugs in our application, because in some other places of our program, for example, we need to use original form of our array without some sorting, and with method sort we've changed our original array, and it's bad practice. The best practice for some operations with arrays is to have an immutable new copy of this array. Don't change the original array. And we can use toSorted here, and let's try to see the result. As we can see, with toSorted method, we didn't change our original array and have copy, a sorted copy, which we want to have. So we have sorted copy, and we didn't change an original array. And we can achieve it with toSorted new method. This method adds immutability in our code. The same idea with other two new methods, toReversed and toSpliced. The main idea is to return a new array with the desired changes and not affect the original array. So let's try to use these methods. So const reversed copy equals to original array to reversed, and let's try to log it. Log reversed copy. Nice. We reversed our array and didn't affect original array. And the same thing with toSpliced. So const spliced copy equals to original array toSpliced, and we want to remove some elements from our array, so from 0 to 3rd index, and let's log it. So spliced copy, and we need to log it. Yes, amazing. As we can see, we have sorted copy, we have reversed copy. We deleted 3 elements from our array, so from 0 to 4 element. So 4 element we are not deleting. So from 9 to 8 elements were deleted. And we have original array in original form. So we didn't affect it. Amazing. These 2 methods add immutability for our code. We don't have to copy array and then call some splice or reverse or sort method for not affecting of original array. We have now separate methods and we can use it. I think it's amazing new features in our language, in JavaScript. That's it. And the last thing I want to say is browser support of new features. As we can see, findLast and findLastIndex support all modern browsers except Internet Explorer, but we don't have to support it. Microsoft officially ended support of Internet Explorer. With method also supported by all famous browsers, so 95% of support. But toSorted, toSpliced, and toReversed method now are not supported by Firefox, so only last 2 versions of Firefox support this method, so use it carefully. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned, and check the video description and subscribe to my Telegram channel. Have a nice day. Bye.